Morning, y'all. Welcome back to Collins Country. We're outside today. We got the RK55 out and the Woodland Mills Sawmill out, and we're going to be cutting a mantle for James's brother John for a fireplace that he just put in his house. James has the laser level out, and they're getting this thing completely level. We do live in Kentucky, where the ground is always freezing and thawing, so every time we use the sawmill, we have to re-level it. It doesn't take that long, about 5 minutes.
This one needs to come down a hair. Stop. That'll probably be good enough.
Just testing to make sure it rolls nice and even and smooth. So he's actually brought 4 logs. Well, James brought a couple logs. Some of the logs are ours, but we're going to cut them all up because we don't know which one he's going to like the most. And then whatever ones they don't use, we will probably sell. So I'm interested to see what all the different types of wood will look like once it's cut up.
Finish cuts at the end.
Oh, that's really pretty. Beautiful grain.
How do we flip this thing? All the way.
it.
Okay, we got to get it up over this bunk. Ready? Now this is spruce, so we definitely want to see what this looks like on the inside. With all these knots, this one might have a lot more character than that other one. So we're excited to see what this looks like.
Yeah, we've had this log, what, babe? At least 2 years.
At least 2 years. It's been sitting in the woods. Not a lot of use for spruce unless you're building a guitar or something, but this came from my brother's house. He had a nice spruce in front of his house and he decided to cut it down, so now we're going to use it.
Yeah, I've been waiting to cut this up to see what the lumber looks like on the inside. I'm excited about it. I love all the knots in it. Gorgeous. Yo, I'm sorry. The recording of this is a little shaky because we have all the scraps here, and whenever I try to walk up close, I keep tripping over all this stuff. This will all get cut up for firewood, or we will actually use some of these for raised beds.
Let's try to get that on this. So you might have to raise your... Oh, crap.
Scoot it this way or that way. You're on a knot. Scoot it towards me. If you come up that knot, it'll be better. There you go. I love that. Oh my gosh. It reminds me a lot of like knotty pine. Absolutely gorgeous. All the knots in it, the wood grain. That's stunning.
We have a tractor and we're lifting those stupid things.
I know. Y'all could be using the tractor. All right, we got another funky log on there. This one's a lot straighter than the last wavy one. We're gonna see what this one looks like. What'd you say, James?
Yeah, John got the funkiest ones he could find. That's pretty. I like it. Yeah, I'd get a. I got my air compressor in there. We can blow all that out of there. This is nice.
You just put the crack against the wall because the other sides of that board are gorgeous.
Sarah might want to see the crack. Yeah, look how nice this board is.
Yeah, those are really nice. Okay, so here are two of them. The spruce one is up in the pole barn because we're actually going to plane a side of that and see what it looks like to see if they like the smoother look versus the rough kind of natural look. And we're also going to get the RK out because now we're going to get another log out of our giant log pile over there and cut it up.
Do you have anything that works? You got me this. Oh.
No, he didn't. Your mom did. She did.
I think I told Mom to get you that.
Yeah.
Is that not straight down, Court?
Yeah, it's pointing down.
I want it to be straight down. All right, come here, John. You got to hold up on this thing so I can secure it in place. Jeez. Alright, see what happens. That'll be fine. Oh crap. My gosh, that's a big log.
Perfect.
The plow gets there? Yep. Don't let that go.
Nope, put more. There you go. There you go.
See that?
Is this thing heavy?
I don't know. Find out. Ready? Oh,
Oh my gosh.
hey, no! Oh, sorry. This is a lot heavier than Big Ash. You got both right? Put it in my truck.
Man, those are beautiful. I like them all. So we did finally figure out that the first two ones we cut were ash. So I think the ash is really pretty. And then oak. So here they are. They've got 4 really nice mantles to choose from. I don't know which one I like the most. Honestly, I like them all. But 2 ash over here, the red oak there, and then this is a spruce. I think James said it was a Norwegian spruce. Regardless, they're all so pretty. I love them. All right, that's it. Hope you guys have a great day. We're gonna load up some more logs and get them cut today. Happy homesteading!